In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export email from Mindbody. This is an essential skill for anyone managing client contacts and wanting to keep their marketing efforts streamlined. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mindbody business dashboard. Head on over to business.mindbodyonline.com using your preferred web browser. Make sure you sign in with a staff or admin account that has the necessary permissions to access client data. This might seem basic, but without the proper access, you won't be able to complete the export process. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your client list. On the left menu, click on Clients and then select Client List. If you're using an older layout, you might need to click View All Clients after selecting Clients. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your registered clients. If you're targeting a specific group, perhaps active clients, new clients, or specific members, you'll want to use the filter option before exporting. This isn't mandatory, but is incredibly helpful. You can filter your clients by clicking Filters or Advanced Search located at the top of the client list. You can choose criteria such as status, whether they're active, inactive, or new, membership type, last visit date, and email subscription status. After applying these filters, you'll only export the contacts pertinent to your needs. Now let's move on to exporting the email list. At the top right corner of your client list, look for an option that says Export or Download CSV. The specific label might differ slightly depending on the version of Mindbody you're using. When prompted, select the CSV file format for the export. A CSV format is ideal because it integrates smoothly with spreadsheets and various marketing tools, making it easy to import to other platforms later. The export file typically includes client information like names, email addresses, phone numbers, client status, and any tags or membership info associated with them. Once the file is ready, save it to your computer. The final step is to open and review the file. You can easily do this with programs like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. Go through the list and ensure all emails are visible and valid. Watch out for duplicates or blank entries. If you're planning on using this list in a marketing platform such as MailChimp or ConvertKit, it's wise to keep only the essential columns like name and email. Delete any private or unnecessary columns like internal notes, which might take up space or cause issues during data import. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to exporting email from Mindbody. Remember to check your list thoroughly to ensure maximum effectiveness in your marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.